Volkswagen Jetta with the switchblade style standard key that's also a manual transmission that we did a remote start on. So we're going to give you a quick overview of how a remote start on a manual transmission works and then get into details of how this particular remote start is set up. Stick with us.
So since this is a manual transmission, you have to tell the vehicle whether it's safe to start after you've gotten out. And how you do that is what's called putting it into reservation mode. So when you come to a stop at your house and you're planning on starting the next morning, you simply put the car in neutral, pull the emergency brake up, let your foot off the brake. Now when you turn the key off, the car will stay running. As you get out of the vehicle, it'll stay on. After you close the door, it will lock the doors and turn the vehicle off. So now the vehicle knows you are outside of the car, the doors are locked, it obviously must be in neutral, and it's safe to be able to start the next time. It also has an extra safety feature called an accelerometer, so if you were to actually somehow manage to, say, reach in here and put it in gear anyway, and it went to start, as soon as the car tries to jolt forward when the start engages, it'll shut the remote start down. Now we'll go over here and give you a quick rundown of how the remote controls themselves work for this particular system.
Now that the vehicle's been told that it's safe to start, you're able to use the remote start. Press and hold the start button on the remote. You'll get a confirmation that the car got the signal, and then after it starts, we'll get another. The display will show the run time that the vehicle is set for, so if you don't get in the car within the next 25 minutes, the vehicle will cut off. If you want to check the temperature in the vehicle, just press the start button once, and that'll update the temperature inside, so you know whether it's time to go outside and get in the car or not. You also have lock and unlock functions on the remote control as well, so if you want to lock the doors, you press it once, and you'll get a confirmation that the vehicle got the signal and lock. You hit unlock, it'll beep twice and confirm that the vehicle unlocked. And then if you'd like to pop the trunk, you can hold the button down on the side there for 3 seconds as well, and that will pop the trunk. Also, should you decide that you needed to do a few more things before you left and you wanted to actually turn the car back off from the remote, you can press that same start button on the side, and that'll shut the vehicle back off. Hope this little demo of how the remote start with a manual transmission works was helpful. If you have any questions, check us out at extremeaudio.org or swing by one of our Richmond area locations in Mechanicsville and Midlothian. Thanks.